Alright, this is a video of a West Pittston. This is the yards, what you got after the flood. This is just what people's yards look like. There's a stop sign. All the ice chunks up in the yards. Looks like snowmen in the yards, but that's ice chunks. That's how high the water was. Ice chunks in the yards over here. Sidewalk's still loaded with ice. Ice on the trees. That's where the water was, right up there to the trees. There's a fire hydrant that's just starting to de-thaw. The fire hydrant was underwater. You can see it's all ice. There's ice up in people's yards. Ice up in the yards. These guys, I don't think were still done from last time. They still have plastic up. Here's the riverside. Some of those ice chunks are 5 feet deep, 5 foot thick. This is the bottom side of Susquehanna Ave here. That's Agolino's down there, the restaurant. You got ice on this shoreline down there, probably 8, 9 feet, 10 feet high. Some of that ice right there on the left is probably 15 feet high off the river.